Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial, where we'll learn how to create Upsell in Shopify using Vitals. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step in simple terms. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps. If you don't already have the Vitals app installed, head to the Shopify App Store, search for Vitals, and add it to your store. Once it's installed, open the Vitals app from your Apps section. Inside the Vitals dashboard, you'll find many tools and features. Look for the section called Product Bundles and Upsells and click on it. Here, you can create offers that appear on your product pages or at checkout to encourage customers to add more items to their cart. Click on Create a new upsell offer. Start by selecting the main product that will trigger the upsell. This is the product your customer is already viewing or buying. Then, choose the product or products you want to offer as the upsell. You can also set a discount or special deal to make the offer more attractive. After selecting your products, customize the text and design of the upsell box. Use simple wording like frequently bought together, or you might also like. Once you're happy with the setup, save your offer. And that's it. Your upsell is now live in your Shopify store. If you'd like to try Shopify yourself, check the link in the description below to register. You'll get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching.